Hello home designers, welcome back to the Coohom Interior Design Masterclass, Basic Level. This is video 13, and today I'll show you step by step how to draw a floor plan from scratch in Coohom. To begin, the very first thing you need is a wall. On the left panel, select the wall tool. I already explained these tools in earlier videos, but here's a quick recap. Simply click to place each point and build the shape you want. If you want exact wall lengths, use the Property panel. On the right, it allows you to type in precise measurements and even adjust wall properties instantly. Once your walls are connected, your layout is complete. And remember, you can always edit later by clicking and dragging walls or corners to reposition them. Want to unlock even more powerful features in Coohom? Use my special promo code HOMEDESIGNER to get up to 73% OFF Coohom Pro. And if you're looking for unlimited renders and advanced tools, you can also get 10% off the Coohom Elite plan using code HDElite. Click the link in the description to grab the deal before it's gone. If you'd like to learn how to change floor plan measurements in detail, I already made a dedicated video for that. The link is in the description below. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and drop a comment if you have questions or want me to cover something else. And please share this course so more designers can benefit. Finally, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson. And remember, with my promo codes, you'll save big while unlocking Coohom's full potential. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy designing!